let me show you how we can lap extra long text in Excel so that we can see all of it in one cell. So now, as you can see here in my Excel sheet, I have some extra long text that I want to lap. As you can see, all these text are on column A but on different rows. So for example, for the first one, it is on A1, second one A2, then the third one A3. But when I come to column B, there is nothing, as you can see on the formula bar. So if I try to type something on column B, this text will be hidden. Let's type something. For example, I can type must, then I click enter. As you can see, the text that was on A1, it is hidden. You can't see it all unless you click and try to see it on the formula bar. But like this, it is not visible. Let me type another thing on this row, on this column B. Maybe I can type all, and then the other one I can type maybe none. So I click enter. They are not visible. So I want to show you how to lap these long text so that you can see all of them in these same cells. So let's do that. Now to do that, we first select all the rows. We select all the rows like that. Then make sure you're on the home tab. Then you click here on this lap text, which is under arrangement category. So click that. As you can see, they are now on one cell, but still they are not trained well. So let's do that. We just make sure you prolong these arrows on the right hand side like that. First we do like that. Still not on good format, so we just click back again here on lap text like that. It goes back, then click once more on lap text again. Now they are visible. So now we can see all the extra long text in one cell. Let me also make them look good by prolonging these. So as you can see, all of them are now visible. So that is how you can lap extra long text in Excel. That's all I have in this video, and if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my future videos. Thank you for watching, and you are always welcome in my channel.